Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to activate money network card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Money Network, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually there are two ways to activate your Money Network card, and the first one is you can call the number right here. If you search money network contact information, you will see this number. So you just need to contact this number 1-888-800-684-7051. Just contact this number, and just address the your problem right there to the customer service. And yeah, it's so fast because you can just contact their phone number and they will help you immediately. And yeah, you can just activate your card of your moneymaker account right there. So that is the easiest way. Or you can also this is the another way, you can also activate your moneymaker card yourself. So what you're going to do is to go to their website. So this is their main website. Just go to this website, and after that just log in your account. So after logging in your account, just scroll down on the home page until you see an activate button. So I don't have an account right now, so I can't show you. But if you log in on your dashboard, there will be a activate button on the bottom part of the page, and you can just input your card information right there, your 16-digit code on your card number, and also your 3-digit code, security code. And yeah, that's it. So after you input all of that, just continue all the next steps until you activated your card. And yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is to or to activate your moneymaker card. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.